Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to do a summarize on our 2026 Go Beyond. Let's get started. Okay, right here we have our standard gravity fill. So what we usually do is just take a piece of garden hose, cut it off, and that allows us to just stick that down inside there, and then we can turn our water on. And that hose going down inside the neck there makes it so we don't have to stand there and hold that hose in place to fill that freshwater tank. Now when the water just comes spilling out, we know our freshwater tank's full and we're good to go. If you are staying at an RV park, you've got this connection right here, and this will allow you to hook up to city water pressure and just use the city water pressure available. We're not going to be using that right now for our summarize, so tune into our customer orientation video on this and we'll go over that a little bit better. All right. Right down here, you've got our low point drains for the hot and cold water lines, and then this is our main drain for our freshwater tank. As you can see, we've got it closed right now, and so that's holding our water in. And then we've got our water heater right here, so we want to open this up and make sure this is in the off position, because we're going to flush the antifreeze out of here, and we just want to make sure that that's just not going to kick on while we're trying to do that. Okay, let's go on inside. Okay, so first of all, we're going to make sure that our water pump is not in the winterizing bypass mode. So we've got this access panel right down below the couch here. Want to remove that. And we've got our water pump here. If you look on the side of the water pump that's got the screen filter on it, we're going to follow that hose, and then right over there is our winterizing valve. So there's this loose hose right here. And this is designed to stick in a jug of antifreeze so we can pump antifreeze through the system. And then there's a valve right there where it comes together, and we just want to make sure that that valve is in line with the hose that's coming from the freshwater tank. So we're good to go there. Then we come up to our main water panel here. We turn our water pump on, and that's going to allow water to flow. So let's run outside to the kitchen, flush our lines out. Okay, so we got this big back door here. This is our kitchen. Go ahead and open that up. Okay, and I like to do one water temperature at a time on the faucet, so we just let that run till it runs clear. Do the same thing with the other side. And we can go in and flush out our cassette toilet. All right, so your cassette toilet right here, we're going to need to put a little bit of water on that and make sure it's all flushed out. So you just swing that out, open this up, and there's a sight gauge right here, this hose right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, and if we were getting ready to go camping, we'd go ahead and just fill this all the way up, but just for winter or summarizing purposes, I'm just gonna put a little bit in there so I can show you how to flush it out. So we'll go ahead and turn that off. Now we come in here and we push the little blue button. That's going to actually pump water in there, flush that antifreeze out of there, and then you operate this level, and that opens up the dump valve and dumps it into your tank. Now, in order to dump this tank, we were going to have a bunch of water in there that we don't really want to have taking up space. So when it's time to dump this, you just swing this handle out there, and then you can dump it out. And then there's a breather button right here, so you push this button right here, that opens up a breather valve and allows you to just dump that tank out. There you go. Your 2026 Go Beyond is summarized now. Have any questions, leave us questions in the comment section, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.